For the old quickie on the car auction guy. Now hit the road, Jack, and don't come back no more.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, what Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Today, man, what we got here, hunk of junk. The car auction guy. You guys that have been on the channel for a while, you know, every now and again, not too often, but we deal with this guy that he's around the corner somewhere, he auction license, buy and sell used cars. And every now and again he'll pop up with something stupid that I don't want to do. And he pulled up yesterday with this, and I was just standing there looking like, what the hell? Let me show y'all yesterday.
Hunk of junk, hunk of junk, hunk of junk. It's a hunk of junk, hunk of junk. Look at that gap. Look at that overlap. Man. Look at that. It's sitting out in the sun forever. Man. Hunk of junk, hunk of junk. Look at the damn headlights full of water. Big gap. Headlight look like it's about to fall out. Man. Hunk of junk.
He pulled up with this crap, man, and I'm like, what in the hell is this? The hood ain't even lined up. It's over the fender. It had all this oxidation stuff, like he put the stuff on months ago and didn't even bring it. So he just got around to it. And man, then he was still haggling the boss about the price. And I'm just looking at him like, I don't like this dude, man. Put on the rear bumper. So yeah, and as soon as we put the sandpaper on there, as soon as the prepper put the sandpaper on, I mean, it went straight to metal. And the owner of the shop was telling me, don't even seal it, just put some put some paint. He ordered some single stage. He didn't even want to mix up our single stage. You know, we have the ProSpray, the brand we use. He didn't even want to waste the material with that. He ordered some cheap single stage, and we're just gonna put that on it. But I'm gonna put a coat of sealer. You know, he told me not to. I'm not gonna just spray that paint right over the damn metal. You know, I'm gonna put one coat of 2K sealer down, and at least that, and then go ahead single stage it. We got medium activator for this, and right now it's 90 degrees, 61% humidity, so it's real humid up in here. So a medium activator. Oh, and also he only ordered me 1 quart, so I got 1 quart to make this whole thing work. So, but I think we could do it, and I'm gonna spray it with the LPH 400 silver cap 1.4 in here, 1.4 needle nozzle combo. But yeah, so we're gonna get to it, man. Go mix up, mass up, and just knock out this hunk of junk.
Yeah, man. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Any of you auction guys out there, used car salesmen, Trigger Man to you, I'd like to give you a big, fat middle finger. I'm just playing, man, but goddamn, man. I'm so sick of this stuff. Hey, man. It's almost the way it's just funny, man. You know, it was just funny. I seen the dude pull up, man. Looking at him like, I know the boss ain't gonna want to do this, man. 'Cause a lot of time my boss be turning away this kind of stuff, you know. He be like, nah. And then I went and did something. I came back and it was sitting inside the shop. I said, God damn, boy, he did it. He did it again. But yeah, so going with 1 coat of 2K sealer. And upon putting my sealer on, I noticed 3 big dents on the hood. Look at that. Ding, 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 ding. Boy, look at here. 3 dents. I asked the prepper I asked the prepper if they saw this, and prepper was like, yeah, I saw it. I saw it, but I thought we were just doing paint work. Yeah, so I left out of the booth. I showed it to the boss, and he went ahead and took care of it. I was painting some other stuff in the shop, so I left out. That's what he did. So I came back in. He told me, go ahead, just shoot it. He don't really care about it. So I put a little coat of 2K can primer over it, and that was it, man. He don't care. Whatever they got worked out, man. The dude, he really don't care about this stuff, you know. So it is what it is. But yeah, so I asked the prepper, you see the dent? Prepper's like, yeah, but I thought we were just doing paint. I said, look, don't think. From now on, don't think. Cause you ain't good at it. Ask. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so going with the LPH 400, got 20 PSI on there, and I'm just giving it one straight coat, man. One coat. That's all she getting. Hate it or love it. That's what I'm told to do. I'm backing out a little bit more on the fluid. Since I'm giving it that one coat, I want it as heavy as possible. That's all they get, man. One coat. One coat. And I'm going back over it. Cause I said I had it in so far, I had the fluid in so far. It was barely getting out on there. And said if I'm gonna do one coat, at least I want to double it up and have it as heavy as possible for him. Even though I know they don't really care, he's gonna sell it. But the poor person that come to buy this sucker, you know, they thinking they got something nice and shiny. Like, man. See y'all out there buying them used cars, man. Be careful, man. Here, be careful. Cause boy, you don't know what you get, man. But I'm just doing what I'm told to do, man. That's what they pay me to do. You know what I'm saying? So. Oh man, boy.
Trigger, man, I feel you on that, brother. I feel you on that, man. Ain't nobody be like to do that kind of work like that, man. But hey, like you said, man, that's what the boss man paid to do. Hey, man, gotta do what you gotta do, Trigger. You know? Either way, you got that sucker looking good for one coat, man. On some single stage, sucker looking good, Trigger. Look good, Trigger. Yeah, I don't know about that color, man. That old funny looking color too, but got that sucker look good, Trick. Look at that goddamn fender, man. Boy. Yeah, Trick, you doing your thing, Trick. You doing your thing, man. Don't feel no kind of way about that shit, Trick, man. I mean, that happens, man. The boss pay you, tell you to do it. It's what you gotta do, man. You know? It's all good, man. You just do whatever they tell you to do, and you do it to the best of your ability. Hey. End of the day, man, that's all you can do. Alright, Chief. I let you go ahead and do your thing, man. Spray on, brother. Spray on.
Yeah, so I was kind of unsure with the one quart if I'd be able to do it because say the single stage is basically 8-to-1, 2-1, and so there's not a whole lot of reduction with it. So you pretty much got what you got. You know, a little bit over a quart sprayable. I actually got it all done in 24 ounces. One full D cup. My D cup, the large cup, is 24 ounces. I got the whole thing done. Oh yeah, I saw a couple little pinholes on there, so I went ahead and tried to bury it. But yeah, I got the whole job done in 24 ounces. And I basically kind of double coated everything, and that was it, man. I was surprised. But yeah, hey man, this stuff is just funny, man. Let me know you guys out there can relate, man. You know, you working in. Nah, never mind. I know everybody's a damn professional Rolls Royce painter. I'm not even gonna ask that question. If anybody else goes through this, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm not even gonna play that game, boy, because everybody. No way. If the boss told me to paint something like that, I would just quit. Yeah, right. I forgot who I was talking to, man. YouTube. I paint Rolls Royce, Ferrari, Lamborghini. RNI everything. No way. You're on your own with that crap trigger. I forgot, man. I forgot. It's only me. I'm the only one got a mortgage to pay. You know what I mean? Come on, man. Stop playing. You ain't got to lie. Damn well y'all paint some stuff like this too, man. Maybe not by choice, but hey, that's what they want. If that's what they want, then I'm gonna give it to them. X gon' give it to you. I'm gonna give it to you. X gon' give it to you. This is later the same day. Yeah, this ain't the next day yet. This is later the same day. I just opened up the booth doors. It was still a little tacky, but this dude here be a little funny, man. I wasn't sure if he was gonna come take the call before I got back or something, so I at least want to get some footage of it. You know, he always be like rushy and want to come grab it and take it while it's still wet. So that's why I just filmed a little bit with the doors open. You know, truck is still, it's been sitting in there maybe 2 hours, but it's still tacky. I just wanted to get my damn footage off it before he came and took it. But that's what it is, man. Goddamn used car auction guy. But it ain't bad though, man, for one coat.
All right. That's what we're looking like the next day. That's what we're looking like. Next morning. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad. Could be better, could be worse. We'll go with that. For the old quickie on the car auction guy, now hit the road, Jack, and don't come back no more. You know what I mean? Cause we don't like you over here. We don't like you car salesmen, you car auction guys. We don't like you. We don't care for you. You dig? But yeah, that's what we looking like, man. Catch y'all on the next one. Boop.
But yeah, man, so that's gonna do it on this one, man. That's it. One coat of the single stage on the hunk of junk. And remember, only God can judge me. So y'all shut up with that foolishness, man. Hey, your boy Trigger signing off. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. And as always, please tell his girlfriend. Peace.
Trigger, man, ain't nobody telling nobody girlfriend about you, man. Shut up.